Hey all, today we are going to see how to protect data with tokenization method. Tokenization is nothing but random string of characters. It is often used with credit card transaction. Credit card transaction follows this process: registration, usage, validation, completing the sale. During registration process, the app on your smartphone securely sends the credit card numbers to the credit card processor. Credit card processor send it to the vault. The vault creates a random string of characters and store it with the encrypted credit card numbers and associated phone numbers. During point of sale, when you are trying to swipe your card at any POS, the POS sends the token to the processor. The processor sends it to the vault. Vault validates and answers the processor. Processor then process the charge. Okay, how they are going to complete the sale? The processor again send a message to the point of sale that the charge is approved and credit the seller. This is how the credit card works. See, in olden days, the credit card numbers are intercepted at the point of sale and stolen at the point of sale. Nowadays, when we are using tokenization, the credit card numbers is never used or known to the point of sale system. Even e-commerce sites that have recurring charges also using tokenization method. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.